Keep her going. There you go. Don't let her cut that circle out. There you go. Okay, turn. Ask her, whoa. Your feet are curling back. Stop it. There you go. No, it's not the stirrups. You're curling your feet back. Now ask her to pick up a trot.